Hey Jocelyn, my name is Zach, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found by giving people a 3-step blueprint of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some local business owners wanting me to help them out. However, there are no strings attached to this video. I do not expect you to use my services. I genuinely just want to be helpful. That's why I made the post in the Facebook group, as you saw. Um, so if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business gain new clients, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take these few steps and apply them yourself, I'm totally cool with that too. I really just enjoy being able to help people out. So without further ado, let me show you these 3 things I'm talking about that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. The first thing I want to talk about is going to be your content. So in Google's eyes, whenever you're ranking a website, they want to see high quality, high quantity content. So that means they want to see at least 1,500 words worth of content on your homepage, followed by 500 to 750 words on any back pages. I've actually pulled up your website here, followed by one of your competitors. Now, this would be for a siding contractor in Spokane, which has really good search volume for that type of work. You can just kind of look at both websites here. And I plugged the amount of content that you have into Word Counter. They gave us roughly 700 words, so you're almost halfway there as far as that 1,500 word mark goes. And then for your competition, they're at 351 words, so you can see you're already beating them there. But we go back to talking about the quality content that Google likes to see, which involves buyer intent keywords that you target for specific areas. So in order to find your competition, I just went and typed in a buyer intent keyword for Spokane. I typed in siding Spokane. Right here, you can see they're ranking #1 for siding at Affordable Northwest. This has a lot to do with the fact that you can see like siding contractor in Spokane. So they're targeting those keywords in order to rank #1 for that specific type of work. That's pretty much all there is whenever it comes to the content. I'm actually going to dive more into those keywords. So I have this tool right here called Ahrefs, and it will pull up any data for a website that you could possibly find. We can see here, this is the analytics for your website. Really not a whole lot going on here. It doesn't look like y'all have a whole lot of backlinks and whatnot, and we'll get into that here in a minute. I'm going to go over to the overview for Affordable Northwest, kind of take a look at what they have going on. So you can see these are their backlinks, referring domains. These are how many keywords they have, and this is how many people are visiting their site in any given month. We'll go take a look at these keywords. You can see, so right here, siding Spokane, like we talked about, they're ranking #1. That's bringing them 28 traffic a month alone. So you can see that's a pretty valuable keyword. You can see all these other ones. So you got like roofing in Spokane, deck builders Spokane, 50 search volume a month. They're ranking #3. It's only bringing them 6 traffic, but that's because they're not ranking #1. They could do some work and definitely be in that #1 spot, which these keywords are actually pretty easy to rank for that city. Moving on from keywords, I want to jump into the next thing I wanted to talk about, and that's going to be the Google My Business or Google Map Pack, whatever you want to call it, that you see at the top of a page. So we typed in siding Spokane once again, and the #1 company here is Morris Clark Siding and Roofing. Now, the Google Map Pack, the best way to rank for that, outside of just having that good content on your homepage and having good backlinks, is to plug in what are called citations, and we call those NAPs also, which is your name, address, and phone number that you can see listed here in this Google My Business profile. We actually did a quick search for your company, so the Black Woodpecker right here, you're pulling up 7 citations, and then Morris Clark has 48. So you see how they're beating you in this aspect as far as ranking on the Google My Business, which 48 citations, it's super easy to beat. You just have to go find these different directories such as Yellow Book, Yext, City Star, so on and so forth. And even Facebook has a spot where you can plug in your name, address, and phone number, and it counts as a high-quality citation. And another good way to do this, so we've plugged them into this tool for their citations, and we can actually get a list of the citations that they have, which I could hit the upgrade now thing and go into my actual account. You'd be able to see every single one of these. We could click on them, we go use the same citation so we know that we're at least matching the power that they have, and then go find more citations to beat them out and start ranking #1 in that Google My Business spot. And This process is the same for no matter what type of work you do, whether it be siding, flooring. I've noticed on y'all's website y'all do a whole lot of different things, cabinets, whatever the case may be. You can rank for all of them, just using the same exact process. Finally, the third thing that I want to talk about are going to be backlinks. This is another really important aspect of Google, and we call a backlink, also known as link juice, which basically drives power to your website in Google's eyes. And what a backlink is, here we'll go to your competitor here. A backlink is where you have one website that's linking back to another website, so it's transferring that power to that other website by linking back to it. And not only do you want to get a high number of backlinks, we also go back to quality, such as with the content that we talked about earlier. With your backlinks, you want to have relatable backlinks to your business. So say you have your business, for example, y'all are contractors, you're trying to rank for siding, so you wouldn't want to go get a backlink from a pizza store, if that makes any sense. You want it to be relatable to what your business is involved in. And once again, just like with the citations, we can go in here to our competitor here on Ahrefs and click on the referring domains. Computer's being a little slow. We could go in here, we could get their backlinks also. So that's just another way we can match what they have and then go find more backlinks and beat what they have. And boom, you got another aspect in Google's eyes that you're just beating your competition in to help rank you. So with all that being said, we went over your content. So like we said, you need to have at least 1,500 words worth of high quality, keyword rich content on your homepage, and followed by 500 to 750 words on your back pages. Citations, we would want to put 200 to 300 citations, like we saw here on White Spark. Bump this number that y'all have. Y'all were at 7, I believe. We don't want to get you up to 200, 300 because you're going to beat anybody by a landslide doing that. There's not many businesses that focus on their citations to rank in the Google Map Pack because they just don't know the importance of it. But once again, 200 to 300 on that. And then link juice or backlinks. So we need to put more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement all these strategies, you could be number one across Google. It wouldn't happen, in a day. It's a process that takes time, but it would definitely happen if you're able to take all these things, put them together, and show Google that you really mean business. But with all that being said, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do all this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. Like I said, this video is meant to just be informative and helpful. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call, 903-715-7876. I'm more than willing to chat and answer questions you might have, even if you're not interested in using the services. Like I said, I just like answering questions for business owners. Once again, my name is Zach. My number is 903-715-7876. I look forward to hearing from you, and I will drop this video. It'll either be below the Facebook post or I'll send it to you in a private message. Either way, watch the video, give me some feedback on it, and I really look forward to hearing back from you. Appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.